to be friends.
Hey guys, it's Jazz. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, subscribe, because why not? Like, you already watching this video, you already clicked on this video, might as well like, might as well comment, might as well turn your post notifications on so you can be notified when I drop another video, because I'm dropping video on video, okay? Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to be making some custom patchwork jeans. I have made this countless of times, but today I'm going to be actually making these jeans for someone else. So that's the fun part. This person DM'd me and asked me, can I make him some patchwork pants? So I decided to make a video about it. Okay, so here's the inspiration of the pants that he wants, and his wish list is stacked pants, patchwork pants in 3 different colors. And he already sent me the pants, which is another plus. Like, he was extra serious. Like, he sent me the pants. Here are the colors of the pants: brown and like a darker brown. I'm glad he sent me the pants because these pants were expensive. And I'm also going to show y'all how I package and send it off to him and all that stuff. So yeah, thank you for tuning into this video. If you like, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let's just get into the video. Wait. Okay, yes, I know I look different. Yes, okay, my hair look different. Okay, but I forgot to tell y'all, stay tuned for the end to see his reaction. Like, y'all, his reaction is so funny, and like, y'all gotta see his reaction. Stay tuned to the end to see that reaction. Stay tuned to the end to see his reaction and how the pants fit and how he liked them, what he said about them. And yeah, stay tuned. And also, I just uploaded an Amazon storefront. It's just basically me showing y'all items that I use, purchase and stuff from Amazon. So shop through that link. So yeah, back to the video. Okay, so here are all the pants put out. So before I cut it, I drew different pictures of different ways that I cut it up. So this is the one I chose. So yeah, I'm finna just cut it up.
Something that is soft, more like it used to be. It was better. What you rather be in love with someone else like we used to be.
Okay, so here are the pants. They are super long because they are supposed to be stacked. So yeah, I'm going to now send him a picture of it and see if he like it, and see if he like the setup, or if he wants to switch out colors or anything. Okay, so I'm back and he said he liked them, so I'm just going to start sewing. If y'all want a more in-depth tutorial of me making patchwork jeans, I will put some in the description because I made a lot. Okay, so today's the next day and I'm finally done with most of the pants. All I have to do is add this leg to this and then cut out this part. Okay guys, so sorry this wasn't like a tutorial because I have so much patchwork tutorials already on my channel, so just watch them. But I'm finally done. Here are the pants. They are so long. This is the hardest part. Now I have to send him a picture of these pants and see if he like them. This is not even the hardest part. This is the scariest part, because what if they don't like them? What if he be like, ugh, why you do that? I'm gonna be like,
Bumbled.
but I'm pretty sure he gonna like them because he liked the picture when I sent it to him. Now I'm just gonna send him the pictures and we gonna wait on his result. Get into those details. Okay, so here are the pants. I've only put them on to see how they fit. Obviously, this is not my fit, but you know, I can rock anything. But I'm just trying to see if, and it's not too tight and all that stuff like that, because he's a boy and he don't want no skin tight jeans or no girly looking jeans. So yeah, they actually fit. Like, I didn't think the colors would go good together, but, and obviously I'm going to wash them before. That's why, and I have shorts on too, but that's why I put it on, because I'm going to wash it still, just to disinfect it and all that other stuff and make it rippy. So yeah. Okay, so I'm just adding the finishing touch, my custom tag. Okay, so here's my little shipping little setup little box, and here's what I'm finna ship. So watch me ship. Damn. Oh my. What? So finally. This thing is long. Bam! Final package. Now off to the post office.
You know I'd wait for you. You can't wait for me. Please wait.
Whoa!
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Thirsty. The drip here, you feel me? Come on, you go trapping with Jazz, the icon, you feel me? You not one of these, no play with her. Come on, he's 1-on-1, man. Oh my, he must clean.
Bye.